Alright, I'm here in Fort Smith area, and I'm driving by this random building, and it's like a Christmas display. It just says spectacular indoor walkthrough attraction. So I guess this is some sort of a Christmas time deal. Excuse the construction noise in the background here. There you have it, the world's largest Christmas pickle. You've seen it here first. No one else is bringing you exciting videos like myself. I'll have to come back here at Christmas time. Might be kind of a fun thing to check out. Anyway. There you have it.